Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. We have already done the grade 5 previous year question paper 2022 set BB. Now today we will start the grade 5 previous year question paper 2022 set CC. Okay, it is also divided into three-part videos of the questions 10, 10 and 10. So let's start the first video of this series, question number 1. The difference between the values of Roman numeral this and this is. So what is written this? MD, M stands for 1000, DC stands for 600, LX stands for 60 and 5. It will be 1665. Now CM stands for 900, L stands for 50 and it is 5. It is 955. The difference between them 1665 minus 955 will be 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 5 1, 16 minus 9 that is your 7 to 710. It is in the option number B. So first answer will be option B. Okay? Question number 2. In a division, remainder is 1/3 of the divisor and the quotient is 101. If the divisor is 92 less than the quotient, then the dividend is. So we know that quotient is given 101 and divisor is your 92 less than the quotient. To 101 minus 92. So you will get 9 and remainder is your 1/3 of the divisor. So this is your 3. So we know that the formula for the dividend, how can we find out the dividend? Actually, it is the quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. 101 multiplied by 9 plus 3. So 909 plus 3, 912. It is in the option number C. So second answer will be option C. Question number 3. Which one of the following expression will give the smallest value among all? Okay, to solve this, 4 threes are 20, 12. 4 threes are 12. So this is your 1200 plus 20 minus 10. So this is your 1220 minus 10. So 1210. It is not, it can, let's check it is smaller or not. Now it is 400 plus 20 minus 30. So it will be your 390. Now 300 plus 12, 22s are. So 302 it is and 3 2s are 600 minus 4. So this is your 596. So we can see the smallest one is the 302. It is in the option number C. So third answer is option C. Question number 4. Which one of the following is not a composite number? We know that 97 is not a composite number. It is a prime number. The fourth answer is option B. Question number 5. Find the greatest number that divide this without leaving the remainder. So greatest number to find, we need to find out its HCF. So 48 divided by 96. So 2s are 96, 0, 0. It means in this 2 number, now 48 is the HCF. Now 48 will be the dividend and 36 will be the Divisor 36 ones are 36. 8 minus 6 2, 4 minus 3 1. Now 36 will be the again dividend. 12 threes are 36. 0 0. So your 12 is the HCF in this two number. Now check the 72 with 12. So 12 6 are 72. 0 0. It means 12 is the HCF of for all these three numbers. So 12 is the greatest number. Fifth answer will be option D. Question number 6. Jack cuts a chart paper into 960 equal parts. He colored all the parts with various color. If the fraction representing the red parts out of the total colored part is 11 by 15, how many parts does Jack colored with red? So it means 11 by 15 of 960 will be the red. So 15, 6s are 15, 4s are 11 multiplied by 64, that is your 704. It is in the option number A. So sixth answer will be option A. Question number 7. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? So there is decimal before 3 digit. So decimal before 3 digit, so it will be 4670 correct. Decimal before 20, so decimal before 4670 correct. Decimal 1 digit to 1 digit 4670 correct. Decimal before 40 to 1 2 3 40. So it should be 467 only, not 0 will be there. So option D is the incorrect. Seventh answer is option D. Now question number 8. How many 1 by 8 make this? So first convert it as the improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 by 4 divide by 1 by 8 equal to 13 by 4 multiply by 8 by 1. 4 2s are 8, 13 2s are 26. Option A will be the correct answer. 8 answer is option A. Question number 9. What percent of this is 90? So 90 upon 100 and we need to calculate the percentage. That's why multiply by 100. 18 fives are. It is your 5%. Ninth answer will be option B. Now question number 10. A box containing 15 kg of rice, 3500 gram has been taken out for boiling. What is the ratio of the amount rice left to the original quantity? So rice left will be your 15 minus 3.5. Why 3.5? Because it should be in kilogram also. Total rice is given in the kilogram. So 15 minus this, so it will be your 11.5. ठीक है. Now total rice is 15 kg. So ratio will be your 11.5 upon 15. Carry 5 2s are 5 3s are 5 3s are 0. 23 is to 30. It is in the option number B. So 10th answer will be option B. Okay. Our first part video is completed. Stay tuned for the next two part video. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.